Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the audio and importing the clip to the timeline so you can always revert. This saves time later. Once done, tag the clip in essential sound as dialogue or ambience to access tailored controls. Now apply reduce noise and move the noise reduction slider slowly. Listen for artifacts. Make small boosts only. The idea is to remove background without hollowing the voice. If noise persists, capture a noise print next. Next, you capture a noise print from a quiet section so Premiere can learn the unwanted profile. Then apply the denoise or adaptive noise reduction effect and feed the noise print into it. This tells the algorithm what to subtract. Once applied, switch to parametric EQ and notch narrow bands for hums or fans. Sweep while listening. Make subtle cuts of 3-6 dB at problem frequencies. Also use high pass around 60-80 Hz to remove rumble without thinning the voice. Finish by balancing levels. Add compression and make-up gain to even out the vocal presence while avoiding pumping. Once done, use a /B bypass to compare processed versus original. This ensures you didn't overprocess. Then render the audio and listen through quality headphones. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount or recapture a cleaner noise print from a closer, quieter sample. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, slightly back off EQ notches or use spectral repair sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.